along Princess Street. Well, we're just coming through Otahu. I'm sure this is Princess Street. We're just getting on the motorway, and I've got a thing at the moment for the trees in winter, and the bare ones in amongst the green ones are quite a picture. It's a lovely day just for a drive. Just wonder where we're going to end up after you've gone back to get the warrant. If I have anything to do with it, we'll end up going for a drive, which will be nice. Bit of congestion up here, getting onto Otahu motorway. There's always been, ever since I can remember, there's always been a bit of a congestion getting on in Otahu.
It's not coming up. It's not coming up.
Here we go, we're getting on the motorway now. It's lovely blue sky, but it's not like the other day when there was no clouds in the sky. There are a few clouds, but only a few.
Hi. Oh, Chuck. It's coming up. Now I see it. So I didn't see it.
Oh, there's a bit of a congestion getting on the motorway. The motorway doesn't look very thick, but the Otahu on-ramp is going a bit slow. Life's never so life is never smooth and easy. You always think it's just something little, but it always turns out something big. I just went for a little meeting at work at the head office, and then I thought we go get a warrant, and then to get the past warrant we have to get 4 new tyres, and to get the warrant, to get the registration, you've got to have an up-to-date warrant, as you will probably all know. So that's what we're trying to sort out today, is get the tyres. We've done the tyres, we're just going to go and get the warrant back on the car, and then the rego, and then we'll be easy, and we'll be off for lunch somewhere nice in the sun. The sun is lovely and warm. As usual, the motorway's pretty solid, but it's flowing well. She left us high pot. Having the road tyres on the car instead of snow tyres can feel the difference. Is that true? We can feel the difference?
It's the same.
I'm trying to get husband to agree with the difference between road tyres and snow tyres. He's a typical bloke. No worries in the world. Motorway, Tianangi. Just passing the Papatoe off ramp. We're just coming not far from the Tianangi off ramp. Keep going on the motorway till we get off at Takanini, then we'll go back to Drive Shore, get the warrant and the retro, and then we'll go and get petrol and have lunch. So I'm a little bit hungry. Motorway's flowing well. We're just passing quite a few trucks. We're just passing Tianangi off ramp. Was down the road and west. We're staying on, get off and take a minute. We're just going to go and get the warrant on the car. Tour always leaves this car to the last minute for warrant. Much like a sister-in-law leaving everything to the last. But we'll get there. We're so close and so far. Because I paid for his warrant, and I paid for his tyres, maybe he could take me out for lunch. My choice. If I've anything to do with it, he will take me out for lunch. Thinking of Vietnamese or something, maybe a Takanini by the village. Sugarloaf. That's pretty up there. Tour just likes to get out for lunch. I choose, he follows. It's the rule. The lady is the boss, and the boy follows. Huge variety of trucks on the road. They've all got their individual ID on their truck. We just passed one with a lion on it, and it looks pretty cool.
Look at this. Look. What? This guy in front.
The car in front must be a pretty new one because I haven't seen that grey colour. A lot of the cars today have their colour, their paint colour is, you've got to have a taste for that colour. But grey, no thanks. go get the warrant for the car, and we go, and then out for lunch. Sounds a plan. Stan.
Bye everyone. Hello.
Love for lover.
Hello, sila. Hi.
You know. There's the truck, the lion on it. It's pretty, rock and rubble. Those rock and rubble trucks are huge. You see them in Papakura, going along Hunua Road. They are huge and they're very, very heavy. Very strong truck. We're just about at Takanini. The old boy's a bit heavy on the pedal, going along the motorway. Oh, we're nearly there. I need to get out. I've been in the car too long. Far too long. Just hope when we get back to Manuela we can get the cheap petrol, or whether it's just for the morning. But we're coming into Papakura and it's 240, 250, 256, but in Manuela it was 223, so I just hope we make it home in time before they put the petrol up, because it's a big jump just 2 minutes down the road from $2.23 to $2.56. It's a big jump. Back to Takanini, along the Takanini Strait, and along here it's always congested, and you just have to bite the bullet, keep calm and carry on. Right, we're back here to get the magic warrant sticker put on the car. I think it's called Drive Safe in Papakura. Oh, Takanini.
Where is it? Further down
I can't find it. That's my Pekin's name. We came via Pepakura, from Pepakura end into the drive safe, and now we're coming from Manua end and laugh a lot, people. We can't find it, but we will be looking again. We are looking, and I think we're not quite as close to it as we make out. And to the left is the bounce. Great tramp. It's a huge big tramp place for kids to jump.
Someone is watching the whole time.
Although it's just getting a warrant on the car and backwards and forwards, it's nice going for just driving because it's a lovely sunny day and it can be quite warm in the sun. Oh, I can see it. It's just down a little bit, just opposite Peck and Save and taking the knee.
Oh, that one there.
We've arrived at Drive Short, taking the knee. Very good service. Turn it off.
No, did it?
All good, mate.
What's this? Canal Explorers. Guys. Oh. From Brazil. Thank you for watching. De lugares. Fala de que país? What does that mean? Fala de. Amilcar Caldames. Hello. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Cause dar explores de lugares.
We've got the warrant. And now we're just going out for lunch. You haven't got that. Where's the ticket for the registration? Oh, I thought we just left something behind.
Yeah. Hmm?
Where are we going? Where should we go for lunch?
Oh, dia. It's luang na dia.
Is it?
Hmm?
Whatever. Is she going to find it?
Ticket low.
Do you want sushi, pizza, or Vietnam?
Vietnamese.
Maybe sugarloaf.
Yes, any.
Oh, sounds good because we can have it inside or outside and people watch at the same time and just chill out and wait for this yum food. It is.
Dia lindo kita This is a Brazilian language.
Where Explorer.
Lo siento porque yo no parla siriano. Sono hablar poquito español. Benvenuto to mi canal. I'm sorry.
I didn't know my husband could speak another language. I think he's doing pretty well.
This is New Zealand. Aquí Nueva Zelanda. Nueva Zelanda. Mucho pelo. Yeah.
We've just come into Takanini village. A bit of information. My mum used to grew up in Takanini, and where we are driving right now used to be farmland, and her parents' farm is just a little way away. And it's always very special coming here for lunch because you always remember Mum and the lovely life that you had as a child being brought up on a farm.
Sim deve ser lugar muito legal.
park outside the warehouse where everyone gets a bargain. Only sometimes you get bargains. What a lovely picture. The warehouse.
Horas a curar ay amigo. Oh, gracias. Muchas gracias por Ahora noi abbiamo andare por mangiare, por comer. I'm mixed Spanish and Italian.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Abbiamo qui della warehouse, chiama warehouse. Aqui no Brasil, da noite. Oh, sì. Aqui en Nueva Zelanda, el John, el Matina. What time is it?
1 o'clock.
A la una de el giorno mattina. Gracias ganar exploradores de lugares for joining in. Ci vediamo un'altra volta. Gracias.